In this video, we're going to show you how to install the front license plate bracket on your Toyota Camry located on the front bumper. Using a 10mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the two securing bolts. Lean it forward and pull it out. On the back side, there's just these retainers here. Good, line this up. Let's line up our screw holes here. Install the new supplied screws. We do not want to over tighten these. We don't recommend using an impact gun when tightening this. Sling it down gently. Do the same here. Once these two are done, go ahead and grab your license plate, line it up, install the two supplied screws for your plate. We're going to do the same here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.